This brand new DePin node project allows you to run 4 separate nodes with just one purchase, and the nodes can run on a PC. And what makes this project unique is that they are offering 100% payback guarantee on the first 1,000 sales of the node, which could end up with the node ultimately being free. The sales go live on the 14th of August at 10 AM Eastern Time, which is the day that I released this video. And as always, I've got you covered with an exclusive 10% discount code, PassiveCrypto. The project has a public team, it's got tons of partnerships, and it's revolutionizing the way live sports and gaming streams interact with crypto. And make sure you stay till the end of the video, as I've got an exclusive airdrop campaign alongside all of my discount codes. In this video, I'll go over what the project is and what it's trying to achieve. I'll run through the roadmap and the team. We'll go through the airdrop campaign to get bonus tokens. We'll go through the nodes and how they earn. And lastly, I'll talk you through how you can purchase a node, including the discount code. And you're going to want to be early. As I said, the first 1,000 nodes have a guaranteed buyback. Right, let's jump into this time-sensitive video. Let's head into the Playfi website so we can learn a little bit more about what this project is and what they're trying to achieve. Now, imagine that you're watching your favorite sports game and you're getting immediate live data on what is happening. And also you're getting predictions on what's likely to happen in that game. And you can use your crypto wallet to actually put wagers on who you think is going to score next or who's going to commit a foul. Or maybe you're playing a tournament of your favorite game that pays out instantly for every game that you win, and you get a bonus for your kill to death ratio, and that's paid out in crypto immediately. Well, these are just examples of what Playfi can achieve, because they are hoping to turn the billion streams of online content into actionable data. Now, in the past, to do this, it was super expensive and it depended on humans to capture and enter that information. But Playfi is hoping to use AI and its expansive data platform not only to capture this information and analyze it, but also to allow studios and creators to integrate blockchain and Web3 on top of games, live streams, live sports, and entertainment content, which is watched by billions of people across the globe. And they're hoping to achieve this with 2 main sections of the Playfi protocol. One is using PlayChain, which is their fast, low cost, and rapid transaction chain, which has almost no fee. And the second part of the project is Playbase, which is the DePin layer. So it's a decentralized AI data processing and data storage network, which are going to be powered by their extensive network of nodes that we're going to talk about later on in this video. And they're going to monetize or incentivize this with their own native token, the Play token. Now, Play is going to secure the data through these nodes that we are going to deploy using proof of stake. It's also the native gas token for PlayChain, and it's also going to be the token that will allow the apps operating on PlayChain to be able to exchange data. Now, Playfi have actually released a video that you can see on the screen of a live streamer who's playing CSGO, and you can see the Playfi AI software processing that data live. And it was able to produce stats on that game almost immediately in real time, like the kill to death ratio and the hit accuracy, etc. Now imagine that they're going to be able to integrate all of that data into blockchain, allowing the seamless ability for creators and studios to interact with their viewers and also exchange tokens and payments. Now the website has tons of examples, and I'll put a link in the description so that you can read them. One example is friends who are watching the NBA together and they want to put a wager on who the first player that's going to be mentioned is going to be. They can do that within the Playfi network using the AI layer, and that payment would be distributed immediately. They also have other examples of somebody who wants to sell a skin on a game to a third party, but they don't want to be scammed. So they send those tokens within the Playfi network, and once the AI layer recognizes that that skin has been sent, then it will release the payment to the third party. So you can see the huge potential and the use cases for this project. And of course, they're targeting content creators who are going to be able to have awesome experiences on top of their live content that they're streaming. They're focusing on developers because they're giving people the ability to build on the blockchain that turns content into data. Those developers can create decentralized apps. And of course, they're focusing on people like me and you who want to earn a passive income by operating these nodes. The project itself has tons of amazing partners. They've got Polygon, Aether, which you know is one of the leading AI and gaming projects in the sector. And you've got some other major players here that give this project a lot more credibility. Right, let's jump into the team behind the project and also the roadmap. Now, I always mention this when it comes to node projects, but having a public and docs team really increases the credibility for these projects. And I've had conversations with the strategy lead, the marketing lead, and these individuals are not shy of putting their LinkedIn and their Twitter up on the website. This is all plus points for this project. Remember, this is on the home page. They're not hidden behind a secret page somewhere else. Right, let's jump into the roadmap so we can see where we are on the journey for Playfi. So you can see in Q1 is when they launched the testnet, and they also put out some of their provisional patents for the Playchain and the Playfi AI. Now in Q3, they'll be moving to mainnet and also distributing the Play token to users that will be deploying the nodes. And towards the end of the year, they'll be having their AI processor validating data and uploading it up through to the network. And they even have plans in the future for a mobile app. So they're really looking to build out this ecosystem. And what the roadmap shows is that we're still super early in this project. Right, before I get to the nodes and the upcoming node sale, I want to quickly tell you about the airdrop campaign that they have. Now, I've got a link in the description if you want to get involved in the airdrop campaign. It's totally free to get involved, and you just simply need to complete a few tasks, including retweeting, joining their Discord, joining their Telegram. I estimated that you can get over 600 to 700 points simply by retweeting and liking some of the actions that they have here, and these points are going to translate into Play tokens later on in the project. Now, the more points that you rack, the more Play tokens that you'll be eligible to receive in the airdrop program. And you can see from the leaderboard, somebody here already has 40,000 points. We don't know how many Play tokens that will translate to, but if you've been involved in projects like this before, you'll know that airdrop campaigns can be super lucrative. Just look at the Aether airdrop campaign. I know somebody that got the equivalent of over $2,000 simply by taking part in the airdrop campaign. So this is totally free, and I'll have a link to that in the description below. Right, let's jump into the node sale. Now, it goes live on the 14th of August. I'm going to release this video 1 hour before the node sale goes live to give you enough time to get ready for it. And there's only 1,000 nodes that are going to go on sale. Now, these are DePin nodes, which means that when you purchase them, you're going to have to run them on your own PC, or you can delegate them to somebody else. Now, the amazing thing about these nodes is they are modular nodes, which means that you purchase one node, but each single node can be broken off into 4 different node modules. This is the AI module, which is going to analyze the data. You've got the coordination module, which is going to help run the efficiency of this blockchain network. You've got the zero knowledge module, which is going to provide proof and verify data. And then you have the storage module, which is going to be storing that data. So you can either choose which ones you want to run, or you can run all 4 of these nodes. Now, as the website says, you can actually toggle between the different nodes that you want to run. But if you don't have the software yourself, you can delegate them to a node as a service provider. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to update you with the node service providers that you can delegate them to later. Now, the specs are not super high. Dual core, 2 to 3 gigahertz processor, maximum 100 gigabyte of storage, and maximum 16 gigabytes of RAM, and with only a 10 megabyte internet speed. You can run up to 100 nodes on a single device, and there's no specific hardware that you need for these nodes. Right, before I show you how to buy a node, let me quickly wrap up the reasons why you want to get involved in this node sale on launch day. Reason number 1 is the discounted pricing. As you know, these are the cheapest nodes that you're going to be able to buy. They're $400, but then a 10 to 15% discount by using my code PASSIVECRYPTO. So they're the cheapest nodes that you're going to be able to buy. And the second reason, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is that all Genesis node operators are going to get a refund on the amount that they spent in the Play token. So essentially, you could be getting this token for free. And if the Play token actually increases in value, you may even make profit just on the purchase itself. That is insane, and something I haven't seen in any of the projects that I've covered so far. They're guaranteeing you your rewards with the amount that you invested in their Play token. And the third reason is that all Genesis node operators are going to get 2,500 airdrop points. And that's additional to any other points that you get in the airdrop campaign. Right, enough of a synopsis. Let's quickly run through how you can purchase this node. Right, first step you're going to need to do is make sure that you have a wallet that is on the Arbitrum One network, and also has ETH, because you have to pay in Ethereum on the Arbitrum One network. If you want to know how much you need in that wallet, the price for the Genesis nodes is fixed at 0.1514 ETH. Make sure you have more than this, a little bit more, to cover for gas fees. The second thing you have to do is click the link in the description. It will take you to this page. Make sure you connect your wallet to this page. That should automatically have your 10 to 15% discount applied. If it doesn't apply, the code is PASSIVECRYPTO. Once you've done that, you'll select the tier that is available. You'll click pay using the wallet that you have that already has the Ethereum sat inside it, sign a few transactions, and those nodes will be sat inside your wallet. And congratulations, you'll have hold of your Genesis node and you'll be some of the first users to make use of that. I'll do an update video once I get these nodes to show you how you can delegate them. And if you like these types of early node sales, why not check out this node sale here? Right, that's it from me. I'll catch you in the next video.